Hey everybody, Rich Vallaster, the trade show wonk at A to Z be I personify. I want to write this blog post because a lot of people ask me, you travel so often, Rich, what do you actually carry with you? And I'm going to show you a couple of those items today. Read below in the blog, I'll tell you a lot more about my items, but I'm going to show you some of the bigger stuff. I can't stop traveling without my travel pole, both my backpack and my rollerboard. What I love so much is that this attaches right onto my rollerboard so I can roll around pretty easily and freely at the airport. So a couple more smaller items I'll show you right about now. No early morning departure is possible without our Starbucks, right? I know most of you out there are probably the same way. I was looking for a way. I'm always trying to finagle all this stuff around the airport, and I was really excited when I found this Nima. There's other brands out there that actually holds your coffee cups, chargers, everything in the early morning, your breakfast sandwich, and it just actually slides on to your rollerboard. Slides in like that. So again, easier way to get around the airport and carry less stuff. So want to show you another favorite thing. I tend to also again fly early in the morning, and when I leave for the airport, it's dark. And what I found is that I don't put on my sunglasses there. I get to my destination and I'm like, oh man, I've forgotten my glasses. So I discovered these great little Ray-Bans. So these are always tucked in my suitcase. They literally come out, fold right out here, and suddenly you're on the go. Still looking pretty cool. I'm no longer cool, but these at least make me somewhat look cool, and they're super easy to travel with. Well, thanks Event Profs for checking this out. I'd love to know what's in your suitcase. So comment below and keep me posted of how you travel and if any of these items have really helped.